Hi everyone, this is Kai from Tizaw. Today I will show you how to copy multiple URLs at once click. Let's get started. Step 1. Search Google Chrome Store. Open this link. Then Google Chrome Store, search copy all URL. I'm selecting this first one extension because it has lots of rating and review. Its rating is 4.6 and review is 430. Then add to Chrome, add extension, then press extension icon, then pin this extension. Look, this extension is visible on your eye right now. Let's get start for testing now. First of all, I am opening some URLs. So, as example, I am here searching Al Jazeera. Open this link. Then I am searching Washington Post. Then I'm opening this website and I'm searching right now YouTube. Here available 4 tab at a time. We will copy 4 tab URLs at once. Press this extension icon, then press copy. 4 URLs successfully copied. Let's paste this URL on notebook. Open Notepad and paste it. Look, here first one is Chrome Web Store. From left one. Second one is Al Jazeera from this one. Third one is the Washington Post. And final one is https google.com search YouTube. That's it. Thanks for watching. For more tips, check out tizaw.com and don't forget to subscribe our channel.